everybody. My name is Moyeni, as some of my friends and family members call me Litshi, and this is my sister, co-host, Moyeni. Today we'll be talking about sisterhood, but first we're going to be starting with a little bit of questions. The first question is, who's the more fun sibling? I think I am. I actually think I am because you spend lots of time. You spend lots of time in your phone, and I'm more energetic.
I don't like.
I am actually more energetic when I feel like it.
When you feel like it, not when you want to every day. I'm the most energetic here. I'm the one who runs around the house and stuff.
Don't lie.
Yes, I am. When you lock yourself in the bedroom.
Sometimes.
Not sometimes.
I play more
every day.
I don't lock myself in the bedroom. You lock yourself in the bedroom for studying, then talking with your friends.
Studying.
So you talk with your friends. That's the thing.
Hello, but they're at home. How can I talk to them?
With your phone. What's up? It's a thing.
It's a thing. But I'm the one who most energetic because I go around the kitchen and stuff, or I go.
We're not talking about the energetic.
Or outside.
We're talking about
the bicycle. I used to stay inside the house and watch TV.
When was the last time you played on your bicycle?
2 months ago.
Exactly.
Because I was busy.
So, I play more. Let's just say that. So I'm more fun.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Fun.
The next question is, who has a weird habit? I do.
I also do.
I actually do, because every time I go to the bathroom, I look at myself in the mirror and I pretend like I'm vlogging. That's the thing.
That's not weird.
It is to me. Sometimes I talk to myself and I feel like
dude. That's not weird. I'm not a weird habit. Because me, every second, every time I'm scared or nervous and stuff, chew my nails and stuff, or do this and crack my hands and stuff like that. That's very weird.
It's not a weird habit.
And I mostly do
Most
that
people
every day.
Do it.
I do that every day, every second. Every second of every day, sometimes I'm nervous and stuff.
You know,
because of I don't know. I'm nervous of not big stuff. I'm nervous of everything. I'm scared of everything. And you know that I'm scared of everything. Dogs,
scared of puppies,
butterflies. I don't know. I'm scared of that, but I'm scared of butterflies.
I'm kind of frightened of a little bit. I love butterflies, but I'm kind of frightened. Every flying creature, even birds.
Hey, I'm scared of those.
I'm scared of birds.
I'm scared of birds out of the house.
I'd rather have a puppy than birds.
Remember them going to cut the birds from the kitchen? Eh?
Yes.
That I was scared of those. Because the birds are not scared of you because they're gonna fly straight to you and stuff.
Yeah. Or poop on your head, on your shoulder. Yeah.
Stuff like that.
But let's move on to the next question. Who is the laziest?
Yes. You're the laziest. End of discussion. Lazy.
Yeah, I think so. So I
don't wash the dishes every day.
Not every day.
Every day.
Sometimes I help you. I wash the dishes. You wipe
All you do is eat and put them in the sink.
Sometimes I wash the dishes. Then after that, you wipe. Then we ask, oh gosh, done deal. Yes, I do wash.
I wash, wipe, and yeah.
Sometimes I wash the dishes. You can't argue with that. I actually do sometimes. You can't argue with that.
You're the laziest. End of discussion.
But I wash the dishes. You're just gonna have to say that. Plus, when I feel like it, I can clean.
You don't clean.
I've mopped before.
The only thing you can clean is when you brush yourself or look in the mirror and okay, I'm clean.
No, I can mop. You can't lie about that. I can mop. I can wash the dishes, but I'm too lazy to wipe them and oh gosh, do it. Let's end that discussion. Where were you? Who do you think is mom and dad's favorite?
We cannot argue. We both know it's me.
I am, because I'm the last born.
Because I'm good at not everything, but mostly everything.
You don't need to be good at mostly everything to be.
And I'm funnier.
Actually,
I'm more helpful. I'm more generous, and you, I guess.
I'm more funny. I'm more fun.
When I used to just think okay, I like this, I will take this. Okay, I'm like this, then they'll like me like this and stuff like that. They like that.
I actually think I'm the favorite. I actually know I'm the favorite, but anyways,
You're the favorite.
yes. Thank you for saying that. What do you think is my biggest strength?
Okay.
I think your biggest strength. I actually don't know your biggest strength. I don't think you have a biggest strength.
Well,
You're scared of puppies.
well, it's not about what you're scared of.
Biggest strength. Okay, what do you think my
Like,
biggest strength
biggest
is?
strength could be like the thing that you're strongest at.
I think you're strongest at arguing.
Strongest at baking.
No, you cooking. I'm more baking, but I'm both.
You only one.
I'm baking, dude. Baking's better than cooking.
But I can bake more stuff like you. But I can bake like better stuff. Like I bake mostly, and I'm the one who thinks of baking mostly.
No,
you just like, okay, there's something, I'll bake that. Or you see something on TV, okay, I'll bake that.
If we have it, like so.
Or if you see like, oh, I'm craving something, I'm craving a dessert, you go and bake it. But me,
but what if we don't
day
have it?
I
How can
think
I
of
go
it.
bake it?
When me, if we don't have it, I'm like, and I'm craving, I'm gonna ask them to buy the ingredients and stuff.
I don't feel like asking. I feel like doing it when there is all the ingredients you need, like scones and all that stuff.
And me, I like to bake like everything, like something. I like sweet stuff, but I mostly like sour. But I love sweet.
I think I'm more of a sour person.
Me, a sweet person, because I'm so sweet.
You're not that sweet, dude. You're not that sweet.
Okay.
You argue.
I'm
you
sweeter than
sometimes
sugar.
What?
I'm sweeter than sugar.
No, you're not.
I am.
Sugar's sweeter than you. That's for sure. Sugar's sweeter than you. You can't argue with me that sugar is sweeter than you.
But lemon's sour than you.
Yeah, lemons are sour than me, and I'm super happy.
But I'm sweeter than sugar. I'm very.
You can't be sweeter than sugar. You literally argue all the time with me. Sometimes you hit me.
I don't hit you.
You hit me in the head, dude.
Because that's when I start laughing, because I hit people when I laugh. Everyone knows that.
It hurts my head.
Okay, at least now I'm not hitting you while I'm laughing, because you're so far.
You don't hit me while you're laughing, dude. You hit me when you're angry at me.
How? When you take one up,
we don't know.
Next shit and using that thing. Yeah.
That's all the questions.
Okay, that's all the questions.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you then. What's the most favorite memory you've had with me?
When you were still living in East London.
Yeah.
And when I burned myself.
Yeah.
For the pot water. And then you helped me with everything.
How did
that
I
was
help
very
you
nice.
Everything?
Don't you remember? You made me cereal.
Because I had to.
When I asked you to change the channel for me, that was really nice. When I asked you to fetch stuff for me, that was really nice.
Okay.
That's my favorite memory.
Mm-hmm.
And you?
But I don't think I know you. I don't think I have a favorite
so
memory.
Rude.
It's not rude. You're always rude to me. I don't think I have a favorite memory of you.
Okay. What do you like about me?
Wait. I know I have something I like about you. Sometimes when I ask for something, you give it to me.
You like me because I do stuff for you.
Yes.
Don't like my confidence and stuff.
You don't have that much confidence.
Okay, at least my social side. Don't you like that? Okay. When I'm so socialistic or something like that.
What's socialistic?
Someone who socializes a lot.
I kind of like it.
I don't know the word. You kind of like it.
I don't know. I kind of, yeah. What's you?
Me? About you? Let me think. You don't care what people say, because you're gonna do whatever you want and you're gonna wear whatever you want.
Mm-hmm.
And you're just gonna act like you don't care what people say about you. I like that a lot.
You need to act yourself for people to
Because I try a lot to be like, let me not say that. Okay,
to be like me, yeah. Like I'm
I cannot say
all
that
stuff.
You don't say that. Okay, let me ask you one more thing. What's the thing? Wish I forgot it. Okay, you ask me something else.
I'm gonna ask you something. What's your favorite childhood together?
Let me think. Because there's a lot. Like when you hid under the bed. That one was my favorite. Because you'd always go under the bed and it would be for you.
Yeah, it did.
Like under the bed was your secret hideout and stuff. That was that was something else.
I was little, so I could fit under the bed. So now I can't. I actually can't. I wish I could. What was the question again?
Favorite childhood memory, something like that.
Favorite childhood memory. Let me think. I don't remember most of my childhood at all. I don't even remember when I was 7.
Huh.
I actually don't. I'm not. I don't remember. But I know I had one.
Okay, about now, like the present favorite memory.
When we went to Ada. That's my favorite memory.
That was actually nice.
Yeah, it was kind of nice.
What did you like about Edo?
Seeing the elephants.
What about me?
I see you every day. That's the thing.
So you like me because every day?
I see you every day and it's kind of annoying sometimes. Sometimes.
I've known you for your whole life, but you haven't known me for my whole life.
No, I haven't for 3 years.
Because I've known you since you were like months old.
Yeah.
You only when I was 3, but you don't even remember that. Okay.
Next question you ask me now.
I must ask you.
Yes.
Won't you ask me?
It's the same thing.
Okay. What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby? It's
except singing and baking and stuff like that. Netball. I know that.
No, wait. It's between netball.
I accept netball. Something I don't know.
Fine, it's between swimming and tennis.
I cannot swim.
I actually kind of like tennis more than swimming.
For me, it's bowling. Because I went bowling twice and I keep winning.
Not that much. Okay.
I keep winning. And you try, but you can never beat me.
Okay. What is your secret talent that I do not know?
I told you bowling.
No, you told me your hobby.
Okay, secret talent. Talent. I don't think I have a secret talent. Okay, let me think harder. I can actually like twist myself and stuff like that.
You can twist yourself?
Yeah, twist my feet. I think I can do a revolution. Or that.
You can okay, twist yourself. Okay, my secret talent is
I'm very loud. You're very loud.
That's not a secret talent. My secret talent, I have no idea. I think my secret talent is I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know my secret talent. Well, I reveal all my talents. I don't have a secret one. I actually don't have a secret one.
Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Okay.
Older than you. How you are right now. What you are.
I actually, when I was little, I always wanted to be a fashion designer.
You're really little.
I'm not that little. When I was younger, let me say that, I wanted to be a fashion designer, but I've changed my mind. I've also wanted to be a makeup artist or a hairdresser, or I even try to sometimes copy you, be a lawyer, or I'm not sure. Where I actually don't know yet what I want to be when I grow up, but I know when I was little I wanted to be like fashion designer and all that stuff.
You still have time. For me, it's between an inheritance lawyer or like real estate. But I want to be a lawyer. That's all I know.
I've always wanted to be I want to be a doctor, but like they don't have holidays, and I can't be able to do that.
For me, it's because I'm scared of lot because of being a doctor.
Or
because, like I'm scared like when I'm doing like surgery or stuff like that, and then I get scared and frightened and I freeze and become paralyzed and stuff like that, and I freeze. And then what I'm gonna do? They're gonna have like an emergency, something like that. And that might not be enough time. So then yeah, I changed it. I felt very hard about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's all.
That's all.
Thank you for watching.
Wow.